I've always wanted to walk on the mountain. But more than that, I've wanted to walk on the mountain when it's raining. Year after year, you look up after a heavy rain, and these beautiful waterfalls are gushing down the ravines of this incredible mountain that's in our backyard. It's an extraordinary rock. Been here for millions of years. We never get to really experience it. We've been in a significant drought, and the rain suddenly came. And this year I decided I wanted to go and see the waterfalls. Walking up in a break in the rain and finally getting to the contour path, we could hear the first waterfall, but was quite unprepared for how spectacular it was when we came across it. Wandering along the contour path in anticipation for this wet wonderland, we really did not know what to expect. Coming across the first waterfall was quite extraordinary. It was breathtaking, it was so spectacular. Thousands of liters just cascading over the rocks on their journey to the sea. Only kilometers away. It's the middle of winter now, but the temperatures are not that cold. Walking along the contour path, bumping into fellow hikers who were just out to enjoy this incredible spectacle. And of course, this view of this amazing city that we live above. Table Mountain is something really special. It's a place that's got a sense of history, and it's possibly one of the most astonishing looking mountains in the world. I love walking this mountain. It really brings a sense of being in the country, even though you're on the doorstep of a modern city. The waterfalls gushing over the rocks were quite spectacular. They were numerous, they were powerful, and this incredible clear water making its way to the sea. Will I be back? Often. It's an extraordinary place to be. Table Mountain. It's like no other mountain in the world.